You are the CEO of a large company. You have a vast amount of valuable data and a lot of employees. They've all had compliance and security training, but how well do they really follow the rules? How strong are their passwords? How often do they change them? Where do they keep them? How many people do they share them with? Do they lock their computers when they leave their workstations? A single vulnerability could lead to a significant data breach, putting sensitive data at risk. Protect your data with Hideez, an easy-to-use, all-in-one digital key. Hideez offers enterprise-scale solutions designed for individuals. Hideez can store up to 2,000 strong passwords for any application, web service, and even encrypted documents. Autofill passwords with just one click. Fast and convenient. System admins can change all employee passwords at once. Passwords cannot be read, changed, or sent to another person. Hideez locks your PC immediately when you move away from it. It's easy to create and delete accounts. Supports 2FA, OTP, FIDO passwordless authentication, and RFID. Security where you need it, from phone applications to hardware devices to enterprise solutions. Hideez, your key to digital safety.
Okay, Google. Open living room.
You got it, opening the living room.
Okay, Google. Close living room.
Okay, closing the living room.
Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Open the living room 50%.
You got it, opening the living room to 50%.
Leaves, clogs, bugs, and other pests in your gutters. To leave them would cause water damage and overspills. To clean them would swallow up a whole weekend. That is, until now. The iRobot Looj 300 series gutter cleaning robot is a must-have tool for your home maintenance arsenal. Looj takes this dangerous and dirty job and does it for you. No more repeated ladder climbing. No more overreaching from dangerous heights. No more Sundays wasted. Simply place Looj into the gutter using the detachable handle and let the robot get to work. Spinning at 500 RPM, the high-velocity 4-stage auger breaks apart clogs, then lifts and throws them away from your roof as sweepers and a scraper clear the remaining debris and make sure the path is cleared for the robot to travel. Looj gets its power from a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, giving it the muscle needed to handle your gutters. Looj can be used in either automatic clean mode or manual mode. In clean mode, just push the clean button, and Looj travels down your gutter on its own, sensing and adapting to debris to provide the most effective cleaning. Manual mode allows you to control the robot's forward and reverse directions using the detachable handle, which doubles as the remote control. At just under 2 inches high and 3 inches wide, Looj fits in most K-style gutters. This low-profile design allows Looj to easily travel under most gutter straps and over downspout holes. Looj cleans gutters faster than traditional methods, cleaning up to a 30-foot section of gutter in about 5 minutes. Doing this manually takes 5 times longer on average. The robot's waterproof design is not only critical for clearing wet leaves, but also makes for an easy cleanup using your garden hose. Looj comes complete with an additional set of smaller, more compact ejectors, allowing you to customize your auger for varying types of debris found in different seasons or conditions. Looj reduces the risk of injury from repetitive climbing and extended time on ladders, and also helps to prevent overreaching from dangerous heights. The slip-resistant rubber handle and hands-free belt clip combine for safer ladder climbing and robot handling. iRobot is driven by a passion for building practical robots like Looj that make a meaningful difference in people's lives. The iRobot Looj 300 series gutter cleaning robot takes a dangerous, dirty job and does it for you.